Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add spell check languages to Microsoft Teams. So if you want to add a language to auto spell check in Teams, simply click the three dots on the upper right next to your account and click on settings. Under the general section, scroll down to a section called editor spell check. And here you can manage those spell check. And from here, just select a language. They recommend that you had your preferred language as the first or top choice. And so just go through the list, find a language that you want to auto. Let's say spell check. I'm going to choose, for example, English Australia and click on add. And so that's how you will add those languages. And you can always go ahead and delete them at any point in time. So I'm going to add a second one right here. So let's say the English from Australia. And let's say I want to say English United States. I'm going to click on add again. And so here you can see that I have the different languages. And so that's how you can easily do it. And you can move up those languages by clicking the three dots on the upper right, by clicking the three dots towards the right, and it's going to move the language up to the first choice. And this should be your preferred language to be at the top. And that's it. So that's how you can easily add spell check languages in Microsoft Teams.